Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, we got a lot going on in the next couple of days. We have some major household projects going on. It's been 6 years and the kids and I have lived in this house. It's been 6 years and 2 months, 6 years and a month, 6 years and a month that the kids and I have lived in this house. Everything has remained the same. The only things we have painted, we painted Jackson's room, we painted the laundry room, and we painted the hallway. And that's all we've done as far as upgrades in this house. But today, we're getting ready to get some major upgrades done. We're going to start off this house to home series by doing a removal of all of the furniture in our living room, because all of the things are happening in the living room. So we're going to bring you guys along with us as the kids and I work to declutter this space. Be looking for several videos in this series, because there's going to be a lot happening, a lot going on. Jesus is just amazing, and he is blessing us every single solitary day, and we are just so very thankful for all the things that he does. We are very blessed that you all get to travel along this journey with us and see. I'm out of school. Praise ye the Lord. Hallelujah. Which gives me summertime to get stuff done. That's my big push this summer, is to do all the things that I need to get done this summer while we are out of school. Last summer, I didn't really do a lot, but this summer I'm planning to do quite a lot. And I've got some miraculous stories to share with you about how the Lord has really blessed the kids and I. So if you guys are interested in this type of video, just keep watching to see what's going to be happening. Alrighty, you guys, so here is what the directions were. The kids were supposed to move the bookshelves into Jackson's room because we have got to get all of the furniture out of this living room. So you know we have a ton of furniture in here, but since we're having some major work done in the house, I told the kids to go ahead and get all of the books off and to get the bookshelves out. So we have a ton of books. We are a book family. We love to read, and it's evident by the amount of books we have. I think I've even given away some books, and I still don't have enough books. So that's what the kids are doing now. I guess Jackson has some type of a system where you lean the books over and you take them all out of the bookshelf like that. Just makes it easier for the kids to move. Now, I have moved those bookshelves with books on them, but I didn't want the kids to do that. And then Alana is moving the ottoman chair and the other small chair that we got from Goodwill. She's moving those things into her room. So that is what the kids are doing. And of course, Acro is being the chief supervisor. He is watching to make sure that the kids make no mistakes, and he will report back to mom if anything has been missed. And this girl right here is just a mess. Y'all pray for her in Jesus' name. She thought she'd be funny and give y'all a quick little smile, which is not like Alana typically. So that was neat of her to do. My kids always do very well working together. And here, so this is just Alana go ahead and getting the dusting done, because we are going to put those books back. They're going right back into the same spot as soon as we get the work done in the living room that needs to be done. So she just was go ahead and getting all of the dusting taken care of, which just made it easier. We want to keep down as much dust as possible because, of course, you know, the kids and their allergies. So, Jackson actually just went to the allergy doctor today, and he is being taken off one of his medications, which is very good. But yeah, so they tend to work very well together, and they got that job done very quickly. So here we are, the kids and I now, I'm able to step in and help them move out the big furniture pieces. The bookshelves were easy enough for them to do on their own, but we were trying to determine where several things were going to go. And so here we are moving rather slowly, it would appear, making sure that we can get these couches and stuff moved. But one of the things I noticed was that there was quite a bit of dog hair on this couch. And so I have this scraper thing that I got from Amazon that is probably the best tool for getting off dog hair that I've ever seen in my entire life. Here I am just waiting for the kids to bring it. Jackson also is bringing the roller. But this tool right here, I can't remember the name of it, but it's shaped like a triangle, and it has different sides, like it's not teeth, but it has ridges in it, and it works very well on fabric. So if you have like couches with fabric, I mean, in just a couple of swipes, anything that was on that couch came right off. Of course, you know, we just had Acro defluffed, de-shedded, and he had quite a lot of hair, but a lot of that was ma'am. She will not go to the groomer. She will not let the groomer groom her. So we have to do just a more excellent job of keeping her brushed down. And of course, here I'm thinking that I've already sped this up, so you're going to watch me do this in slow motion. I mean, in real time, but yeah, I was just taking that little tool. If I can find it again on Amazon, I'll link it. But if you have fabric furniture, it is like the best tool ever in life for this type of hair removal. I have the rollers, all of those work great, but this just works absolutely phenomenal. And so what I'm telling Jackson is we want to keep all the furniture on the side of the house that it's on, so we're not taking pieces all across the house. And so that's what he's doing, just moving that table and lamp into the back rooms. And again, I'm still just over there de-shedding my couch, which this, like I said, that tool did amazing. Now, once I had the couches defluffed, I needed to do the chair cushions as well. And I went all down the back. We went down the seams. So there's no dog hair on this couch. The dogs have a tendency to jump on this couch so they can be bodyguard protection and protect us from all of the things that are happening outside. So here Alana and I are trying to get this couch moved into the garage, but the arms are so big, so it caused a little bit of a challenge for us. We ended up having to take off the legs, just one of the legs, and then we were able to get it to go straight on into the garage with no problem. Again, on that second couch, we were doing some of the same things. This couch did not have nearly the hair that the first couch did, and I'm really a little embarrassed that I had that much hair on there, but we try to keep those couches pretty clean. But with school days and working out and the kids with activities, sometimes it's just very hard to keep up on all of that. But that tool, like I said, it looks like a little triangle. It has a little circle hole in the middle where I kind of can get my fingers in there really good to hold it, and it just does a phenomenal job. And of course, we were just getting everything onto the floor because we vacuumed anyway, so I just didn't worry about, you know, oh, that's going on the floor. We vacuumed, Jackson vacuumed, Mom vacuumed some, we rolled it a little bit, and of course here's Acro. Ma'am chooses not to participate when cleaning is going on. I think her and Shakema are related. They do not actively participate in cleaning, so that is why she was not present for any of that. Now this part just totally took me out because you cannot ever not be somebody's mom. Jackson hit his toe, chipped his toenail, and then wanted to know if Mom would be so kind as to remove it for him. And here I am, Mother of the Year, absolutely. Now Alana and I are taking the curtains down. We don't want anything hindering the work that has to be done in the house. So we're just getting all the curtains down. Everything is going either into the garage or one of the bedrooms. I actually almost fell down taking them curtains down. And we're just moving everything off of the consoles, everything off of the walls, everything that we could think of to move, we just moved out of the house. Here we are working on the red cabinet. The red cabinets even had to move out of the living room as well. So we are just taking everything off the walls. Everything is coming down. Some of those pieces will not be coming back into the house. It is no problem. I'm pulling out all the nails from the wall. I do have to spackle those places. The spackle that I had is dry, so it's not going to work. But here we are just moving all of the things. And my kids do extremely well helping me do all of the housework. We wanted to make sure that we got all the vacuuming done. So like I said, Jackson had vacuumed, and then I wanted to go back over the floor to make sure that we got up all the dog hair. We vacuum every single day to make sure that we get the dog hair up, and I actually vacuum twice in any spaces where the dogs are. We just want to make sure that we get everything up and that we don't have dog hair throughout the house. So I usually have Jackson vacuum, and then I'll come behind him and vacuum as well, just to make sure. I got clean freak tendencies, so y'all just pray for me. Oh, glory to God. Hallelujah. All right, y'all, so we're down to 3 pieces of furniture. We have this cabinet here. We have a red cabinet over here, and then just this bookshelf. Those are the last 3 pieces that we have to get moved out of this living room before the living room transformation can begin. And so we're going to take a small break to eat, and then we'll come back and finish up these last 3 pieces, and then we're going to call it a vlog here, and we'll vlog again the next part of the process. But for right now, just these 3 last pieces. We probably just show you with the room empty, and then we'll call it a vlog. All right, so here is a hack for anybody who is like me that has to do all the furniture moving. We tried some furniture sliders. They didn't work very well. So what the kids and I have always done, in the most recent past, is we'll take a sheet and we'll fold it over. That is a full-size sheet. It's one for my bed. And this cabinet is full. We did not empty out this cabinet, but we doubled the sheet, and then we push it to one side so that we're getting the sheet underneath of the cabinet. And then I'll have the kids on one side. Alana wasn't strong enough to do it, but Jackson came over and he was helping her. So they're kind of lifting on their side, and I'm pulling on my side. So that helps that whole cabinet, which probably is a couple 100 pounds, helps it to slide across the floor easy. The sheet is smooth or kind of silky. It's not a silk sheet, but it has that, that sheen to it, so it makes it easy. We just got stuck on the frame for the floor there, so that's what held us up there. All right, y'all. So the kids and I got the last pieces of furniture moved. We are done. I'm wiped out for the day. I don't have nothing else left to give nobody no time. I am going to try to get a good night's sleep. Simply because I'm tired. And I don't have to work tomorrow, but I do have to get Shakema from the airport. And then ma'am has a vet appointment. Jackson has a doctor appointment at the allergy. We have people coming to work in the house tomorrow. There's a lot, and your girl tired. So what I'm going to do is bid you adieu, and I will see you guys in the AM to vlog tomorrow. We have some stuff going on tomorrow. We also have some stuff going on Friday, and then there's some more stuff happening on Saturday, and a few more things on Sunday. So we're giving it our best effort this summer to get the vlogs going, up and going. There's a lot happening. We hope that you will be able to stick around with us while we do certain things. So anywho, we're going to go. We love y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye now.